Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on your Google Play Store in Alcatel 1SE Lite. And to do this, first let's launch our Google Play Store, and here we can try to find any game like Call of Duty. There's an icon for that game, but when we click on it, nothing happens, and to fix this, go back. Here, click on your profile picture, open the settings, enter family, then parental controls, and here either disable parental controls entirely with a switch or go for apps and games. Insert the PIN code and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if we look for the game again, it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.